Okay, good morning, everyone. So today we have quite a number of questions today. Let me go through one by one. Later we can see. Okay. So our question number one is actually how to talk to a patient who has taken DXN for 2 years and suddenly cry baby when he goes through symptom like heart palpitation for 2 weeks. B, when he climbs stairs and house, paining heavily, back edges, feeling not too well, feeling heartbeat, weakened activity, stairs, pending, getting right position, generally feeling little breathless. Any doctor, Norma Medical Center can call some white as well as RM 500. Okay, you see, most of the patients, when you see this, when we take DXN too long, this is actually nothing to do with the DXN at all. Okay, so what we do, it will balance the system. But when certain time your body system a bit shaken, that means sometimes you have fear or anxiety attack. This is called anxiety attacks. Anxiety except fear to die attacks like that. Sometimes you feel, hey, why suddenly I'm like this? Okay, it can be a few reasons. It can be a few reasons why it happened. If you don't have enough sleep, also you can have some kind of fear, anxiety attacks. And also when you feel that your mind is stressed up, okay, also same thing. And sometimes you feel when you never do a proper exercise, when you never do a proper exercise, you feel sometimes your hand is numbness, all this thing. Whatever DXN do, whatever holistic medicine is all to balance your system, to make sure all your system working in a fine mode. Okay, but mind is always a different things. So that's why holistically we see dietary supplement is one of the part from mind and physical. Mind and physical is your control. Dietary, we can set up, okay, you eat this, you balance the system, you enough nutrition, everything is done. But mind and your physically, you need to balance it. Sometimes most of people forgot to do. They think I'm eating all the good nutrition, the system can work. Same thing like a car. You see, you can service your car with top oil, engine oil in the world. Okay, but you just service the car, keep in your house 6 months, you don't drive. What will happen? Your car spoil. So what's the point? You put the good oil, brake oil, all kind of oil, you put engine oil, top gear oil, or you put, okay, but still it cannot work. Why? Because you never physically run the car, warming up the car and drive the car. You can see the brake pedal all become rusted. Why? Because you never drive the car. That's why physicality is a very, very important to drive the engine out. Our system, we can put anything inside, but you have to make sure holistically you must have a good exercise. Okay, our body have mind and intelligence. Our body is very good in intelligent. We call body intelligence is very good. He knows what is right, what is wrong. But when you stress up it too much, okay, we never get a good sleep. Okay, you stress up, you take a lot of nonsense in your brain, also you stress up. Okay, so this will end up with not enough rest for your system, enough sleep, not enough sleep. This also can make your system panic. The panic attack or anxiety will coming in. So you must remember, whatever you eat is not enough. Holistically, you need physically and mindly, you need to work together. So as a human, you need to work in 3 phases. Dietary is one of the important thing as a nutrition base for the system. Like say you service the car with the top quality, you don't put diesel or you don't put all curry, what do you call cooking oil into your engine oil. Okay, nowadays putting an engine oil as a cooking oil, mampus la car. Okay, and you must drive your car. At the same time, you must drive intelligently. If you don't drive it properly, your steering won't run for you. You must drive it properly. So that is called intelligent. I mean, driving is your intelligent. The car is physicality. The material that you add in is like a nutrition to the car. Then your car have the speed. Same thing to the human body. Why I take the car example? Because everybody driving a car. If you close your eye, you can drive. Then mindly is stupid. Intelligence of the body is not used. Okay, so sometimes you are like that. Mindly, the intelligence of the system we don't use. So we just bulldoze. We go and hit here, hit there. The end of the car will destroy it. Same thing happened. So this, the number one question is more to the natural process of the system. What is the natural process in the system? Holistically, we need to have a mind intelligent. We need to have physicality, intelligent on the physicality, exercise, balancing, sleeping our time, all these things must be maintained. And the third one, proper nutrition balancing. Okay, so when we have three of these, is a three big pillar for our system to sustain and maintaining the health for long term. Okay, clear? So by going modern medication, you can go. The moment you go there, doctor, I got palpitation. You can tell them, hey, doctor, I got palpitation, I got this pain, I got pain. You just think what he can prescribe you, painkiller. That's the best he can give you. Okay, another poison. To kill the poison. Not to kill the poison, to increase the poison in the body. Okay, it's no use. But end up with X-ray lah. Okay, MRI, this test, blood test, all these things, you will not finish it with 500 ringgit. Maybe you end up with 50,000 ringgit. That will cost. Because this is the minor basic things. Okay, if you have a palpitation, close your eye, relax, take a deep breath and release. This is mindly relaxation. Your pressure will come down naturally. Okay, this is a simple basic step you can do to balance the system. Don't pressure the system. You say sometimes palpitation coming in, you feel that, oh my God, I got something wrong, I'm going to die. No, it's like that. Just close your eye, take a good position, sitting down position, take a good position, sit down, close your eye, take a slow deep breath in and release. Do it. You can count 30 to 0 backwards. When you do 30 to 0, your mind will be calm down slowly. You feel more relaxed. You feel more relaxed and balanced. Okay. So number 2. Okay. Number 2, what is the question? Okay. A patient 58 years old suddenly cannot walk for 8 days. He only has 3 upper tooth and 2 below for chewing. Okay. Waist down, time both legs suddenly cannot walk lying in a bed. Okay. Waist down, time both legs suddenly cannot walk lying in bed. Okay. Who led this condition and prescriptions? What led this condition? Okay. He services heavy machineries like technician mechanic, claim he never hit any BV machine, only fell down on his butt, ears and things. Okay. He is 58 years old. Okay. But you see, when he done a heavy job, you must remember, when people start to carrying lot of heavy jobs, in a longer run, the wear and tear will be higher. You see, like Mike Tyson, who's the Mike Tyson? Not Tyson, correct or not? The Tinju one. Okay, the Tyson end up with Alzheimer, Parkinson. Most of the weight lifters and weight things you do, you will end up with joints wear and tear will be higher. Your bone depletion will be higher. Okay, and nerve system will be damaging higher. That's why we are not encountered to do a lot of heavy job. In 20 years, maybe for 5-6 years, okay. But when you're getting older and older, we keep on doing the same job, your neural system and bone system density will drop. Damages will be increased. The wear and tear will be increased. So this is also one of the cause can be. The second thing, if he cannot walk below waist, means that the below waist lumbar point, L1 to 5, has been loosened. So he does not have it strength to stand. When he stand, the hip and the lumbar is not completely locked. So he cannot stand properly. So that is another cause he cannot work. And why it suddenly happened? Body always try to balance. One until certain time that body cannot recover anymore, sudden things will coming in. And remember, every diseases and every problem, especially chronic cases, not started immediately. It started 10 to 15 years or 20 years before. You end up now. So that means this guy issue, 58 years he had this problem, means when he was 38, lot of problem already accumulated, start little bit by little bit by little bit. But he never encounter or balance their system to become normal. So he never takes some nutrition to rebuild back the patches, the damages. Okay, and the food wise might be lack of nutrition, physically exercise, sleep issue, all these things. When you sit down and talk to them, they will give you the feedback. Then historically, you know, he never maintained his body 20 years before, and now he end up with disaster. This is the how disease attack when you're getting older. If you really maintain your system from the day one, like your car, you buy a new car, if you properly maintain the new car, the 10 years car look like 5 years car. 20 years car, it look like 10 years car. But if you really not maintain your car, in 2 years, your car look like 20 years car. Okay, that's how the maintenance. So the maintenance, servicing, all these things is very, very important to make sure your wear and tear will be reduced as minimal as possible. So your minimal wear and tear must be reduced, cannot be stopped. Remember that. Wear and tear cannot be stopped, but can reduce minimally. So in the longer run, your wear and tear, let's say you're 50 years, your wear and tear, let's say 50%, but if you're taking care properly, maybe your wear and tear only 20%. This is you can do. That's how human being work. Because your aging never stop. Your aging every day increasing per day by day. Moving the system every day, day by day. You can't stop physical things. You keep on moving accordingly every daily task activities. Okay. So this might be the condition that he has a problem. He fell down 30 years ago, and maybe there's a small hairline cracks, nobody look at it. Some neuro damages in the middle spinal, no MRI can show that. And this will end up, his job criteria become heavier and heavier, and he can end up with this. What you can give this for this guy? The best is you can give a cordyceps powder, GL powder, RG powder, Richelieu powder, all these things you can give, and give lot of enzymes and spirulina. He need lot of nutrition. So once you give that, maybe the neuro and the bone will be density will be increased, and the nerve will be reduced. The nerve damages reduced and we repair back, and slowly he can walk back. Okay, so we can give him GL powder, cordyceps powder, or Richelieu powder with cordyceps powder, morinzyme, cordipine, spirulina, bee pollen. Bee pollen is very important for him. Okay, because he's more than 58. So his neuro things all a bit different. So bee pollen can help some of the nerve systems. Okay, we go to the third questions. Okay, the third question is actually, what DXN supplement to take for a weak lung or tendency and pruners for respiratory ailment like wheezing, cough, and asthma? Okay, lung issues. Okay, what DXN supplement for weak lungs? Okay, lungs is always weak. Why? Because we are inhaling 11,500 liters of air every day. So just imagine you are cleaning your house invisibly. 25 meters square of your house, you are cleaning every day. If one day you sit down in the house, you already suck every dust from the house to your lungs. Okay, remember that 25 at 11,500 liter air you are pump in and release it out. Okay, and it equivalent to 18 kilogram of weight of gases you pull. Okay, so not little bit, very high, you know. So lungs is always a prune, and until now, is there any medication for lungs? No. Okay, the worst case scenario, they give you a pump, Ventolin pump, or some what do you call like steroids pumps lah, to balance it, or oxygen ventilator. These are two things available now. Okay, the worst case scenario, they give prednisone steroid or corticosteroids to balance your inflammation for temporary lah, but it's not long time. That's why asthma patient never recover until now. Okay, so many thousand years happened. So many 100 years people are trying to find the solution. They never find it. We already find it and solve a lot of people's issue. Okay, so how strengthen the lung? What to strengthen your lung? GL powder is the best for lungs. Morinzi is best for lungs. Lignopine is best for the lungs. Ligno powder is very good for the lung. Lignosus syrup is very good for the lung. Okay, spirulina is very good for the lung. All these things, if you keep on taking, you can balancely taking. Okay, when you keep on taking, it slowly will enhance and strengthen your lungs. It increase the immunity of the lung and remove the toxin from the lung every day. Remember, every day you must remove the toxin from the lung. When you every day you keep on remove the lung, your lungs will be clear. When your lungs is clear, you don't worry about anything. Most of the tumor, most of the lung cancer, all these things happen because too much toxic inhaling inside. So you must see, that's why some people got lung problem. We have to see what kind of environment he worked before, how much of toxication he accept inside. Let's say 1 hour they go and spray the chemical spray to their farm. How much inhaling going to the lung? That is all affected. Okay, when you work in the dust, how much you are driving motorbike, how much you are inhaling. So all these things actually prone to damaging of your lungs actually. Okay, that's why end up with wheezing, cough, asthma. All the wheezing, cough and asthma is just a symptom to tell hey boy, let the hey system, the lungs is telling the system, hey system, hey body, I'm weak, try to enhance me back. That is the symptom that he have to highlight to you. It's not a problem. Okay, the problem is the lung not enough power to suppress out all the flame and toxin from the lungs out. That's why sometimes without you notice, you can see something coming out from your nose. Means suddenly the body detoxicate. Sometimes you cough with flame. You don't have flame, that suddenly go some kind of flame coming out. This is all toxin that body removed from your body. This will happen once in a while. Okay, sometimes if you sit down, then you see most of the time in evening time or morning time, you drink a hot coffee, then you see something leakages coming out from your nose. Means that what? Something toxic, they release it out from the nose. That's why it's very important. Always I teach the key thing to clean the lungs. Our lungs are working detoxification 3 to 5 a.m. early every day morning. Okay, our lungs detoxification time is 3 a.m. to 5 a.m. After that, we wake up. Once you wake up, after you brush your teeth, you take a little bit our toothpaste, Ganozi toothpaste, and put little bit on your tongue, and you try to gargle it out. Then you can see small amount of toxicated saliva will come out. Everybody will experience this. Okay, if you don't believe, tomorrow morning you do that. You see, that is the toxic that from early morning 3 to 5, what lungs will do? Lungs go and collect all the dust, okay, from your lungs, pull it out and keep here. Okay, this is the process to make you to gargle it out. But most of them we don't do. We go and drink water this that. That's why morning they say drink water. Why? You push this one, put into your stomach, and it go out to your toilet. Either I normally I don't prefer that, because in India 5,000 years practices. You can see in India, if you go to rural area in India, early morning you can see everybody try to gargle out. You can hear the sound. It's still practicing until now in India. Why? Because they're removing the dirt, saliva that stick here is all the rubbish 24 hours you collected. 11,500 dust, 1,000 liters dust that collected will keep here, and you gargle it out. How to help it? You can use our Ganosi toothpaste. Take little bit in your small finger, put that finger in, just rub at the tongue, end of the tongue, then you gargle it out. Then you can feel, you can come out some kind of white sluggish saliva. That is very dangerous. This will change to pneumonia later if you don't. It's infected, it can become bronchitis, it can become pneumonia, it can become asthma. Okay, normally we don't teach people. So this is the important part, that you can clean it. Every day you clean it, you no need to worry about. If you feel something that our toothpaste are very good in cleansing the throat. When you start to do that, you see, you never get any kind of what you call running nose la, sinus la, all these things because of small portion that you left every day. End up, it go down back to your lungs. So when too much, then the body cannot take it out. That's why every day you learn it to do that. Okay, very simple practice. Okay, so the next one, question number 4. Okay, at the onset for this MCO during first Zoom meeting, Dr. Siva, he has advised me to increase my intake Androgy 3 capsule in the morning and 3 at night on top of 2 GL and 1 RG. 1 black cumin, Spirina, Roselle, Hong Tea, and Morenzi. All was normal until early this week when my body had a kickback. My whole body was in pain. I could not sleep well because of body itching, and the joint between my upper limb and back was so painful I could not walk. Then my VA areas was in pain. I suspected it to my strong dosage of Androgy and GL. So 2 days I reduced my intake to AM, 2GL, 3 spirina, cordyceps, okay, black cumin, Morenzi, pearl powder. I temporarily stopped my Androgy and RG. Okay, and now my body ache pain reduced, and after minute 2 or 2 of limping, then I walk normal. Okay, is that the right way? Yes, that's the right way. You must see how strong is Androgy, that strong is RG. So, but Androgy is very powerful because Androgy has the ability to kill and remove any bacteria or virus in the body. Same thing RG will do. And Androgy is more to the liver portion. RG more to the lymphatic portion. It will break into. These two is a powerful cleanser from the vacuum. We call it under vacuum. Powerful vacuum toxic remover. So sometimes something go wrong. That means all the while she is okay. Suddenly on that day she got problem, mean something is wrong in the food. Something she eat. Maybe high toxication, something is go wrong in that day. Okay, in few days. It's not digested properly. And it become poisonated. So when you put, the body react highly to remove it out from the body. That's why the reaction happened. So, but that time, you can keep on continue, is good. But you feel very tired, you can stop. Because GL also can do the job slowly. Okay, it's a good idea. It's a good idea. But for my cases, for me, if they call me, I will tell them, reduce the dosage, but don't stop. Because something infected. You see, the powerful of Androgy is, it can remove negative gram bacteria and positive gram bacteria. Positive gram and negative gram bacteria is very dangerous bacteria, can cause a cancer later on. Okay, and also viruses like H. pylori, all under the positive gram bacteria. So these are the things can cause long-term problem. But when you put in, it straight away will kick out the thing. When you kick it out, then the body will have a revamping again, readjustment. So that's why the readjustment started back. So you stop it, the readjustment stop. So you're using the GL, just balancing. But what I advise, go back to 1 RG, 1 GL back, maintain for a few weeks, then slowly you increase back. At least you remove everything back. Don't ever keep all this negative or positive gram bacteria in your body. That is not good at all. Okay, you can keep a lot of bacteria, the good one. Okay, not the bad one. Okay, so is this the right way? Yes, is the right way. One of the way. Okay, one of the way. The second way is reduce maybe one only, but don't stop. That is the best way. Okay, good. So next is Number 5. A 70-year-old Kalabit patient now stuck in Miri Government Hospital, diagnosed with colon tumor, ulcer. Doctor took his biopsy through colonoscopy and expected result in 2 weeks, 31st May to 19 June. Doctor stopped all the solid food intake, deny him any food intake. Body is acidic daily. Eye hospital and good growth environment for tumor, IV drip for salt glucose, steroid and painkiller. Feed up with milk through his nose. Vomited for 3 weeks. Okay, what else? Okay, vomited for 3 weeks before 31st May and fainted at home. Yalah, tak ada food macam lah, fainted lah. Apa you dapat? You don't get any nutrition at all. What? Apa punya doktor? You pergi hospital, dia kata jangan bagi minum susu. Lepas tu dia kasih susu balik rumah. You bukan baby mah. Okay, mana cukup? We got enough. Memang fainted punya. So ambulance rushing to Miri GH, now stuck in Miri GH. What to do now and handle this patient? GH is very territorial. Territorial acute will prepare him for operation to remove the tumor and also may accidentally remove gallbladder. Sudah remove ke belum ni? Prepare him for operation to remove tumor and also may accidentally remove gallbladder. Push him for chemo and radiation, eventually will die. Okay. Reaction, remedies and how to handle situation. Okay. This situation is very critical. Okay. So, you know, in GH, once they already handled the case, is no way they let you in. The first thing. Whatever they say is only the truth. You have to follow them. It's very hard to, when you talk, they won't listen to you. This is happening in, not here, all the hospital. That's why I stop all my hospital visit all, because I end up with the fighting with these guys. Because when we tell, they don't listen. Okay. So these are the things happening. Some more GH is some more critical. There are so many people will be, you want to talk, you need a lot of people to talk. Not only one person. You ask this doctor, their doctor refer to another doctor refer to another doctor refer to another doctor. End up, nobody can give you decision. You will go back with nothing. Because I have experienced it. When you go and meet the doctor, want to discuss about the patient issue, you say, hey, I don't know, you took this product. You go and say, no, you are going to say, you go here, go here, don't know where you go. So this is the problem happening in GH. There's no solid doctor will advise you properly. And they always talk into the paper. They always talk to the paper. They never ask the patient. And they will decide everything by the paper to the patient. Then patient sure will have entered. End of the day, no food, matila. Okay. So in these cases, what we can do, if they want to go removing the tumor, we have to see first the tumor size, whether it's blocking completely or blocking halfway. If 50% passage is okay, don't operate. If 50% passage is okay, don't operate. Second thing you have to see whether he can go toilet or not. Okay. In the case of what we talk here is actually she's lack of nutrition, end up with glucose drop. End up with glucose drop, she fainted. So that's why when they go hospital, they will put under the glucose reading first. Okay, glucose and sodium. They will put the sodium IV and the glucose IV. Because she end up with the no dehydration happened. Okay, end up with fainted. So this is the basic things. You can give them the food like fruit juices, all these things, mix of blended, all these things, porridge or whatever you can mix and give. Then she won't end up with fainted. Milk is not enough for the normal adult people. Because when movable people is different, bedded people is different. Bedded people you can give a milk, but movable people you cannot give a milk. It's not enough. For you, you are moving. I give you milk every day, I tell you, you will fainted. Okay, but if you're in bedded, no movement, milk is enough. So these are the two things, different things we have to see the patient before we sending them back to home, and we have to tell them proper meal and dietary. The mistake is the dietary part is wrongly is given. Okay. And DXN remedies, what you can do for time being. That's why I said, first thing you have to see the thing. If the tumor is bigger than 50%, almost blockage to 80%. So if they want to operate, okay, let them operate, connect back, and they will put a stoma bag outside. Okay, let it be that. And you have to see how much there, you need to verify how many centimeters they're going to operate. And don't ever touch gallbladder. Even though there's a stone, leave it. Don't touch anything on the bladder. Just only touch the portion, that problem. Okay, that's the first part. Second part, if they want to give chemo, not necessary, because you got a tumor in the certain area, you cut ready, this both portion you cut ready. So no upper part and lower part is clean, so they can connect back. So they mean this area is clean. You no need radio, or you no need chemo at all for this moment. But what you can give a Mycovita with Morinzyme and Codipine together. These three things enough to heal the wound and balance back, and monitor their their tumor marker for 6 months. CEA marker. So this CEA marker will differentiate. We see whether there's any problem. We can see the marker up and down. If the marker is stable, it's okay. I've done one cases that they follow exactly the operation done in Singapore. Until now, the boy is 20. When he see me, he just operated and come. I said, when they call me, I said, operated, you come, let me see all the patient, all the information. Then I guide him properly. Okay, then until after that, he never go chemo. He take all the solution 6 months. So I monitor 6 months. After that, 6 months once, for 3 years, I monitor him. No tumor marker, and he never go chemo, he never go radiation. Until now, he's safe. It's already 5 years. 1 year once I asked him to come back. He's working in Singapore. Actually, he's one of the executive in Singapore company lah. He's working in now. I don't know. Long time I never see the guy lah. Indian guy lah. Kena the colon cancer. Okay, so that part is okay. You can see. That's why we must see. But it's a procedure. Momly Hospital is a procedure. If you cut tumor, must go chemo, must go radiation. It's like a procedure. Who create the procedure? The system create the procedure. The paper create the procedure, not the doctor create. The moment you key in this came out, they will come out all these things. So must go this, everything is listed down. So they just tick lah. If not tick, then the KPI is been taken lah. This is the problem happening in the hospital nowadays. People work for KPI, not work for humanity. Secondly, people work for commercializing private type, but end of the day, people human is in putting in a chop board. No. Okay. Number 6, can deteriorating eyesight be improved, specifically as we got older and we start to need reading glasses? Can Gunner oil and RG water reverse that? What else help? How long does it take? Okay. Our body system got 2 working points. When you touch 40 to 50, your reading, your short distance become weaker. Okay, but your long distance becomes stronger. Remember that. When 50 to 60, your short reading become better, your longer become weaker. This is a natural process in 40 to 60 happen. Everybody has the same issue. When you touch 40 to 50, you will have a short, long-sighted, mean that short reading. Okay, reading problem. When you touch for 50 to 60, you automatically can see your reading is improved without glasses, but you're long-sighted, you're short-sighted. That means long distance can't see. This is the reverse, always happen. But after 50, after 60, 65, you almost go back to balanced. Okay, you almost go to balance. That's why you must see your glasses in the 10 years time. 40 to 50, you change for the reading glass. You use reading glass. But 50 to 60, you using long distance one. You take off your reading glass. Don't mix the glasses and do wrong. Mostly about the ophthalmology companies will push you the glass. Hey, reading also you must wear 24 hours, not necessary. Okay. So when you want to reading, computer, all these things, laptop and phone, all these things, you use the short. Okay. Long, you take it out. You're driving, you don't use. Okay. When 50 above, you can see it will be reverse back. It will reverse back. Then use it. So use it when necessary. But not most of people, what will do? They will wear it 24 hours. Actually, that's a problem. Okay, that's the problem. So in the case, mostly the ophthalmologist said, oh, we got double glass la, blinded glass la, these glasses la, sunlight glasses la, not necessary at all. Don't waste your money, 500, 600 ringgit. The normal reading is only 100 ringgit actual cost. The normal long sighted is only 100 ringgit actual cost. You can use for 10 years, 10 years. with 200 ringgit only. You don't need to waste money. Okay. So a lot of people go and check and check. They will keep on increasing. If you don't believe, you go to 3 ophthalmologists, different shop. You go to 3 shop and ask them to do the calculation for your eye. You see 3 shop will give you a different eye calculation. Tomorrow you do lah. You go town, you go and see. First shop you see, then you tell me, then ask them to go and fix the good glass for you and tell them, write down how much your left and right eye difference is, lost power. Then you keep. You go to the next shop, you ask them to do again. You don't buy the glass. You said, I will come back and I will come back and decide to come back. But you get the reading. You see, everybody have their different things. I also don't know why it does. Sometimes they can wrongly give you the high power lenses. Not necessary. A minimal lens is enough for you to just reading enough. If you don't read, you just take it out of the glass lah. Not necessary lah. So balance your body. So what can balance? Guano oil actually is good. Guano oil actually not giving you the eye back, Guano oil relaxing you the nerve system. Let's say you use your eye very tired. Okay, when you drop one drop on guano oil and massage for 1 minute, then you sleep, you can have a good sleep. Why? Because your eye is totally pressurized. The nerve behind the eye is been pressurized. So why we need to do, if you don't reduce the pressure, in long term, you will end up with glaucoma. Glaucoma, no reversing, no glasses at all. Okay? And they will ask you, most of the time, hospital asks you to go laser. Laser means you're going to blind lah. End up you will blind lah. Don't ever go any laser. Don't ever go any laser. End up lot of people laser, end up with disaster, end up the glaucoma become worse. Okay, so use guano oil. You can use RG water to clean your eye. You can take a small glass of small scoop. You know the eye scoop? There's a small scoop. You can take 1 glass of water, maybe a 3/4 glass of water. You can take 2 RG capsule, you put inside, you shake 100 times. Then you pour the water in the glass. Before you sleep, you can use the eye scoop, little bit there, then you do the eye scoop. Use the RG, you clean up. That also will relax the eye. Okay, this is to cool down the pressure of the eye. When your eye pressure cool down, your eye damages can be reduced as much as possible. Okay, I don't say it cannot damage. It can be reduced as much as possible. So tends to use high density glasses will be minimized as much as possible. Okay, and use the glasses whenever needed only. If long sight driving, just use for driving. If short sight reading, just use for reading. Don't reverse it. And don't wear 24 hours. That is the biggest mistake you do. Make your eyesight totally become worse. Okay. So that's the thing. And what else can help? How don't last it? Okay. You can RGGL, remove toxic, balance the system, just normal. Spirulina is very good for the eye. Hong tea is very good for the eye. Black cumin is very good for the eye. Androgy is good for the eye. Okay, this will reduce the eye pressure. And guano oil, give a drop. How long you can give a guano oil drop? As long until your life, you can put 1 drop. You can see when you're getting older and older, the damages of the pressure and the chances to get glaucoma is very, very minimal. Nowadays, lot of people after 60, 65 kena glaucoma. Glaucoma, there's no medicine at all. There's no reversing, no eye specialist can recover that. Nothing for glaucoma. At least cataract is minimal, can remove and put the glass. But cataract also only 1 time in your lifetime. 1 time you do, second time you can't do. Remember that. Okay. So guano oil also will remove some of the cataract facility, cataract dryness. Sometimes some people got eye watery. Why watery? Because eye too dry. So the body will release the water to make sure the eye is not dry. That's why watery. Watery is not eye wet. Actually, eye is really drying. That's why body is balancing with the water to release, to make sure the eye not spoil. Okay? Clear? So the next. Reaction of eyes turn very red, similar to red eyes, but without discomfort after using guano oil or RG water. Why should this? Why should this be stopped? Yes, when your eye turn red, it's not the eye problem. Basically, if your eye turn yellow, it's not the eye problem, it's a liver problem. Same thing, if your eye turn red, it's not the eye problem, it's a liver problem and sleeping imbalance problem. You don't sleep very well, you don't give an eye a good rest, enough rest, minimum 6 to 8 hours daily rest. If you don't do that, your eye turn to red. Okay, at the same time, if your liver have some problems and poisonated, your eye will turn to red or turn to yellow. If bilirubin high, it turn to yellow. If bilirubin normal, ALT, AST or hepatitis B, C, these kind of things, then your eye become red. Okay, liver functions. Liver cirrhosis, eye become red. So anything about the liver, it become red. Anything you don't sleep, liver will be affected, because liver is the one who cool down when you sleep. Because 1 to 3 is actually liver balancing time. If every day 1 to 3 you don't sleep, liver become very weak. That's why sleeping at 11 o'clock is very, very important. You must remember 11 to 1 is gallbladder. Okay, 1 to 3 is a liver. So both is liver. So 4 hours liver are taking in charge. All over the body, only each organ take 2 hours, but liver only take 4 hours, to regulate. Okay, 2 hours to the gallbladder, 2 hours for the liver. So gallbladder, where the gallbladder connected? Gallbladder connected the inner liver. So liver is the highest hours needed for regulate. 4 hours, So in a biological clock, you can read the biological clock. You can see liver portion is only 4 hours. It takes 4 hours. So longest hours taken by the organ to regulate is only the liver. So you must make sure you sleep at time 11 o'clock. The worst case scenario, once in a while, never mind, is okay, accepted lah. Okay, you got party, all okay. But most of the time, make sure 11 o'clock you go to bed. You don't sleep, never mind. Just close your eye and relax. Automatically, the sleep will come to you. The body will design either inertia or shutdown. That is the body design. You can't design it. You only can rest. Inertia mode and shutdown mode, body will give you. You can't call for it. Okay. So that's very important part. Okay. Should they stop? In the long run, RGGL, spirulina, RGGL, morinzyme, Androgy, these enzymes like Morinzy, all these things will help the liver, balance the liver. And in the long run, you can see this color has been changed literally. Slowly it will change. Okay. Number 8. What to take when a person has a prostate? Okay, prostate is very straightforward. Most of the time after 60, mostly guys has this problem. Okay, prostate. Either enlarged prostate, either push out or push in. Okay, remember these two things. Your prostate is actually a pipe to release the urine. Okay, normally this prostate issue don't happen to the ladies, especially for guys only. So when prostate is enlarged, sometimes it enlarge and pressure the pipe in. So it push the pipe. So they hard to urine. They need to put a urethra pipe to make sure the urine go out. But another type of prostate, it grow bigger, it pull out, it make the pipe so big. So the urine frequency is higher and leakages will happen from the urine. Okay, for either push out prostate or push in prostate, doesn't matter. Okay, the best solution is codipine, Richelium, Morinzy, and bee pollen. Give more. Okay, give pollen, give more. Once you give pollen, you give maybe 5, 5, 5 or 10, 10, 10. Also no problem. More as possible. More. If you got financially good, you can give per day 20 tablets. Okay, 10 morning, 10 night. Ask them to chew and eat. Once they keep on chew and eat, in a longer run, the prostate will become normal. Okay, it become normal. I've treated so many prostate cancer patients. Okay, everybody recovered. None of them went for operation. The one who come to me. Okay, so that's very easy, straightforward. Our RG gel, Richelium, very good. Codipine, Richelium, Morinzi is very good for prostate, and bee pollen. You add up. Okay, number 9. Stress. Please touch on stress, anxiety, panic attack when your person thinks he is normal. You see, stress, anxiety, panic attack, the person who attacked that doesn't see that. The person who see them see that. Okay? When you are with your friend, the anxiety, they feel anxiety, but sometimes they don't feel it. But you are beside him, you know he's something wrong with your friend. They are like anxiety, suddenly sweating, suddenly like all flashes, all these things happen. So it's all come down situation. That's why calculating backwards 30 to 0 is a very, very important to balance the immunity, to balance the anxiety. So always remember, if you have any kind of anxiety issue or panic attack or whatever it is, you feel something wrong with you, palpitation high, simple, just go and sit down in a good, like a chair or whatever, sit down in the bed or whatever, doesn't matter. Just go and sit down, close your eye, take a deep breath and release it out. Calculate 30, then second breathe in out 29, third breathe in out 28. You go backwards. 27, 26, each breathe in, breathe out. You -1, -1. So you go down until 0. Then open your eye. Then you see your palpitation, your panic is okay or not. Then okay, then you're relaxed already. It's about relaxation. This is sometimes fear. This will happen to anybody in the world. It can be happen. Sometimes you are afraid of something. Sometimes you have a daydreaming. Something like come and like you, maybe you see the ghost story midnight, then you come and sleep or something, you feel that somebody will come and kill you. It happened. Then suddenly you wake up sweating and you panic, you fear. Simple. Close your eye, take a deep breath, calculate 30 to 0, everything go back to normal. This is the simplest solution. No need to go and find medicine for this. And maybe you can drink a sip of water, maybe dry throat or whatever, it doesn't matter. Or the best, you can drink a coffee or cocoa, anything. Come get some food, get some basic supper, then you sleep back. Or you can fill up with coffee or tea or anything when it's happened. Then you feel very relaxed. Okay, it's not a problem, it's a fear. It's a fear. Sometimes people lot of stress can make you fear. Okay, it has happened to normal everyone. Don't take it seriously. Okay, when I explain to you, next time when it happened to you, you feel, Dr. Shiva said this is nothing. When you think that is nothing, everything is disappear already. Okay, that's why the mind is playing a very powerful role to kill any kind of negative imbalancing. So your mind is very important because the message has been given. So the message you will listen to. Next time it happen, this is like anxiety. It's nothing lah. I just close eye, do 30 times, it's okay already. You feel that. It automatically become positive already. This is how you balance it. It's not a disaster. It's not a sickness at all. It's just a mind issues. Okay. What else we see? Okay, now COVID time, sure, a lot of people sitting down in the home. So a lot of people will think, so many things. Because you always see two of you, husband, wife, you see husband, wife, children only. These three of people you see every day, memang fed up one lah. Okay, so these things is going around. Basically, you are be freedom, and suddenly I put you in a cage. Just remember how you somebody bela your burung in the cage, you think how the burung feel. So the COVID teach you, whoever got the burung on, go and release, let them freedom. Okay, and you will feel that. Even though you can sit down in a big house, bungalow house, you've been caged up, man. You've been locked down. You've been locked down. So locking down is actually biggest pressure ever been done, because you normally meet people are freedom people. Freedom mean anytime you can go anywhere and come back, and suddenly the government say don't go out, then you have problem. Okay, your mind is disturbed. Okay, that's why balancing mind is very, very important. The first medicine of a body is your mind. Okay, if you strengthen your mind, positive your mind, 90% of your disease nothing. It's a nothing. You got bigger problem also, you say nothing is nothing. It's all your mind. Okay, so balance it. Okay, we see some other thing. Yeah, unify upgrading also come. What to see? UKIM is best formatting. Okay. Yes, thank you, Diana. Unify upgrading UK best formatting. Yes, so many places also. Doesn't matter, all MQA. Doesn't matter. Okay, number 10. What is the difference between ZK toothpaste and Ganozi toothpaste? Which is better? Okay. ZK is specially formulated Ayurveda design. Simple. Okay. The formulation that they use, 100% they're following Ayurveda design. Okay, Ayurveda design means, but it's naturally designed, it's been endorsed. Sometimes Ayurveda design is not endorsed. Okay, maybe they can mix anything. But the component they use like cloth, what do you call, so many items, I also forgot already, 4 or 5 items they mix it. This item is very good for your gums actually. Reality is for your gums. Okay, and also your tea lah. If gums good, get tea also good lah. So what I do in my house, the normal toothpaste, I put half now, I put ZK half. So make it 50-50. Then I brush my teeth. So actually the old one, the component, the old one is so very good. Okay. But the component for gums is lesser. It's lesser, low. It got, but low. There's RGGL is low. But the main component like cloth, all these things is very important for your gums strengthen. If your gums is strengthened, your teeth automatically strengthen. So people who have bleeding, pain, inflammation in the gums, you can use this together. That means when you take a brush, you put little bit of your Ganozi toothpaste, little bit, small peanut amount of the ZK, not too much. You don't need to waste too much, little bit only. Okay, then you brush your teeth. Night time before you sleep, you take the ZK little bit, small amount, apply and all the gums area, front and behind. If you have a mouth ulcer, if you have a gums bleeding, if you have like just tooth edge, you just pull out the teeth, the wound, you can apply the ZK. ZK is very good healer, wound healer. You have an ulcer, you use the ZK. Okay, so you can combine these two. It's very good for the ZK. ZK is very good actually. Okay, it's the component they use is very powerful for the gums, especially for gums actually. Okay, most of the toothpaste is for teeth and a leg for the gums, but ZK is specially formulated for the gums. Remember that. That's why I always mix. Now I got 2. So a little bit here, little bit there, I put it. So you can try. Okay. And what else? Come, I see. Oh, what number 7 also. Okay, I think so. Both is good. Both is good. What I do, I mix it both and used. But if you want to use a single, no problem. Okay, no problem. You can use it. Your wish. Okay. Next, what else? Number 11. 70 plus anti-leg painful. What to give? Okay, leg painful. You have to see. 70-year plus, maybe where and tear is higher. So you can give codipine, rebuild the gel. 70 plus normally rebuild the gel better because all the joint, the gel is less ready. So the best, I always advise Mycovegi morinzine, spirulina, bee pollen, roselle, lion's mane. All these things suck. Then the gel will be rebalanced. Then you can give some codipine also. Codipine is good for the blood circulation. So these are the things enough for the leg pain, and you can use the Gano oil, massage the joints. And it can improve the blood circulation. Then later part, you can see the improvement slowly will come back. Okay, very straightforward. Okay, who's the Joe? Oh, Joe also do that.
Doc, Felix asked about can cordyceps be taken at night?
Can, no problem. You see, all holistic medicine is food. You can take any time. You want to take 24 hours also, no problem, because it's a food. Like you makan kacang, whenever got time, every time you see kacang, you whack one. So it doesn't matter. So nature food won't damage your system. Holistic medicine, there's no, you must remember, holistic medicine, there is no prescription at all. If you know the description, if you know about it, you can eat as much as possible, no problem. Like long time ago, people teach you eat rice. You calculate your rice. Anytime you're hungry, you go and whack what. Okay, like that. Holistic medicine is a food. So it doesn't matter how much you take, how you take doesn't matter. But when you enter the body, it knows what to balance. Okay, when it knows itself, the immune system, because we are improving immune system. You see, long time you are eating rice, chicken, everything. Did you think that it's improving what your body? No, it's also improving immune system. End up with changing to nutrition. Nutrition end up with changing to micronutrition. Micronutrition end up to mix it in the blood. End up it travel all over the body. It will improve the immune system, strengthen immune system. The body repairing you back. That is food job. Not suppression and maintenance the body. If you suppress and maintain the body, then you're stuck. You cannot, no way to go out and end up with disaster. But you leave it the body as a freedom body. Let the body get all the sources that need, means that the nutrition they needed, then the body will rebuild by itself. That's how you build from your born. Until you know, got knowledge, until your mother stop you feeding, then you start to eat yourself, you know what you did. Then you make mistake lot. Until your mother feed you is proper. Lah. After that, gone ready. Lah. Everything anta masuk, finish like tong sampah ready. That's the problem. Okay. But since the mother take care you, you are properly lah. Memang gemuk, chubby, cantik. After that, I tell you, gone ready. Okay. So balance your body. Okay. I think what time now? Oh, now 1 hour plus ready lah. Okay. So these are the basic things you need to know. And we can put any Q&A you can ask now. Maybe 1 or 2 questions. 9:30 maybe we can off lah. That's that thing lah. Okay. Where is Wanda? Wanda never come in, huh?
Yes.
Cannot make it, oh.
Her side there have no line.
Oh, no
No
light.
line.
Yeah.
No line, yes. Even I
No.
cannot WhatsApp her also, very hard to get through.
Oh,
Yeah.
okay. Never mind lah. I will call her personally to check the father's issue lah. Mariam is
Okay,
here,
yeah.
is it?
I know
Mariam?
that I know his weight is increased.
Okay. That is a good sign. That is
Yeah.
a good sign. So that's why important is the weight. Once the weight is improving for the cancer patient, they are recovering. They are recovering. Okay.
Is he still in pain, Susan? Do you know whether he's
Yeah.
still in pain?
Yes. Night before last midnight, he says very painful. So ask him just to take GL, whatever, anything. Just take it. Yeah. Yeah, doctors. Can I ask? Can he add in Mycovita or whatsoever to?
Too strong for him. That's why I give him the light one first.
Okay.
Sometimes Mycovita for lungs, Mycovita is too strong.
Okay.
So when we give GL, we need to pump in more oxygen until it's stabilized. It's not stabilized yet.
Okay. So can
So you need
increase the
to come
GL?
to the certain.
Can
No,
You
increase
can
maintain.
the
give more GL.
GL no problem, you can increase.
Can give more GL.
GL no problem, you can increase. But Mycovita I got RG, so I don't want to give him RG because when you give RG will pull some body energy and repair. So it might lose energy. He not come to that stage to get RG. So that's why I still keep on monitoring him. Once he have that level, then we can pump in little bit of RG ready. Not now. Otherwise, he will be more weakened. So now we need to boost him up first. Let him strengthen up all the system first. Okay.
Dr. Siva has also a Malay lady who also brutally bashed up by BMC, now GH. So she started later than Seng Kuang. She's also going through pain. And today her stool with blood. I said, don't panic, relax, just drain out your blood, you'll be all right. You won't die bleeding. I
Maybe
told
the
her.
old one.
So I told her it's okay because you are fine. Just take the pain day by day, live day by day. She just started 15 days ago only.
Feeling healing crisis lah.
Healing crisis. So she's fine. Seng Kuang is okay.
Okay.
So he is not alone because I gave the Malay lady Seng Kuang testimony. So both of them going through this crisis. So it's fine. It's okay. This is Dr.
Then,
Siva patient.
Okay.
Another one, want to ask you about his friend. The back here always.
No, line is very bad. Can't hear. Hello? Susan line is jam up already. Hey, where's she? Disappear. Come back. Susan?
Yeah.
Suddenly you hang already there. Okay, now clear.
Yes. So what to give?
No,
to
your
him?
question already disappear. I can't hear it at all.
Okay, sorry.
Pardon your question.
Yeah, Seng Kuang, the other day they asked you about the friend, said the back here until the neck there, always sweat.
Always
so,
pain.
Sweating.
Sweating doesn't matter. It's like blood circulating. Doesn't matter.
No, he's not taking anything yet.
Who is friend?
So is it what?
Or his friend or he?
His friend.
Oh, his friend. Oh, okay. Okay. Where
So
is
what to
stay?
give him?
Where is stay?
Semunjak, the kampong there, some kampong.
Oh, same kampong lah. Oh, okay. If nearby Kuching, maybe can get the eye and see. Semenjak is where? Miri, Rita? No.
No. It's I think 2 hours drive from Kuching.
Oh, 2 hours drive lah. No way he come down to Kuching?
That I'm not too sure.
If he come down to Kuching, maybe Frankie, you can get the eye and post to me lah. Otherwise, for basic, you can give him basic. You can give Richelieu powder mixed with Morinzyme, mixed with Codipine.
Okay.
Richelieu 1 scoop, Morinzyme 10 ml, Codipine 10 ml, mix in a glass of warm water. Take 3 times. Take 3 times daily. Then give him some Androgy 1-1, Spirulina 4-4 tablets.
Okay.
That will help him first lah. Then later, is there any cases he come down to Kuching? Maybe can meet up Frankie to get the eye picture or anybody lah. So then they can send the eye picture so I can see what is going on. But normally, if sweating out means nothing to worry. If you not sweat, there's the problem. Sweating out means body are detoxifying. Try to detoxify. So that means the cleansing is the process is still there. Body natural cleansing is there. So only certain process is not doing properly. But did he feel the pain? Did he complain about the pain? Then no need to worry much lah. I think the blood circulation towards the shoulder to the neck area is shoulder to head is weak. That's why it's sweating. So the blood concentration is high here. So they start to when your blood circulation is very high in certain place, you will sweat. So the blood high in this place means there's a blockage happen this area.
Okay.
So give this one first. Then maybe after 1 month we see the reaction, or we can get the eye. We'll see. Or then after 1 month we can review him back lah.
I believe the friend is suffering from anxiety. So
maybe yes, anxiety.
Simunjan, there are a lot of cockfighting competition area, very big, high gambling one, 100,000 above. So they always sweat at the back, losing money, 100,000. So the pala oleh like this, all his friends are all cockfighting gamblers one.
Ayam fighting.
Ayam fighting punya. Simunjan.
Oh, is it? Oh, big money gamer lah, gamblers lah, chicken gamblers lah.
Yes. All his friends are all gamblers one. Cockfighting, they buy the cockerel from Philippines one.
Oh, from Philippines lah, not the Kelantan one lah. Huh?
No, Philippines is better because they fly across the sea. Fly very high, stamina, can cross the sea.
Is it? Oh my God. So good.
No, it's not that lah, Doc. It's about the knife that they attach to the back of the chicken. So if the chicken more slightly better at maneuvering, so lessly the chances of the chicken staying alive. But in the end, both will die also lah.
Yeah lah,
they are both
die
injured lah.
Injured lah.
Dua-dua will get injured one because the knife very sharp one.
Killing, very dangerous.
Cruelty to animal lah.
Yeah, lah. Have to complain to the animal association lah.
Salah dog. Big time business lah. All right,
Okay.
next question please.
Okay.
Rosemary, no question ah. Why? No, everybody all well lah. Nobody sick ah.
See, Diana sudah dua tangan oleh dah.
Apa macam ni?
No, because last week my
Yeah.
speaker, my speaker laptop not
Yeah.
working, so that's why I
Oh.
didn't join you guys. I did
Oh,
ask.
okay.
My question was number 9 regarding the limb. I also forgot the question I asked.
Number 9 just now, is it?
No, last week one.
Oh, last week one I forgot. I already downloaded it,
that's
but
why.
never uploaded. Maybe today I will
That's
upload
why,
it.
that's why, because my brother lah, actually, and then he wants to know what to this one. I said,
Did I already download it or upload it yet? Not yet, last week one.
we haven't seen
Later I will upload it. I will share. You subscribe the channel. Once you subscribe the channel, the moment I upload it, automatically you will get the email.
Oh.
You subscribe, then beside got one bell, you just click the bell. Once you click the bell means that the moment anything I upload, you will get the email, Once you got the email, then you know there's a thing. Then you can go and see. I don't need to send to you the link at all. You can get it. You have to
Rose,
click the bell.
you can ask your questions, Rose.
Yeah,
Yeah,
but I
ask your
have to
question now.
scroll
Yeah.
down. Wait,
Forgot already.
wait. The one was last week, So I have to
Oh, is
look
it?
for it. It's quite far up there,
You remember the question?
Just a minute. Let me check. Just hang on, yeah. Just a minute. Hang on.
Is that the spinal injury?
No. Wait, I did ask about, just hang on. The question actually is is there any DXN supplement that might help with the treatment of the lower limb lymphedema? Lymphedema primary, he said.
Oh,
Lumbar lah.
lower lumbar lah. That
Lower
means the
limb.
complexions on the what do you call spinal lower limb. He cannot
it's
walk
a-
or what?
He
He
can,
can
but
walk. Painful lah.
It's heavy
Numbness.
lah, because
Numbness.
both the leg actually
Okay.
like swollen like that,
Yes.
So
The
you just want
best.
to know
Yes, the
Mm.
best is actually you can give them a codipine,
codipine,
Richelieu powder, vinaigrette,
Richelieu powder and
vinaigrette, codipine, Richelieu powder, vinaigrette, and Morinzi.
Morinzi,
You can get 10 ml and a Richelieu
Okay.
1 scoop. Mix it, shake and drink three times daily. Give
Okay.
him also cordyceps and spirulina. Cordyceps 2 capsules.
or cordyceps,
Cordyceps capsule additional. Capsule 2 capsule morning, 2 capsule night, and spirulina 5. Give three times 15. Because spirulina very
Okay.
good in spinal nutrition.
I see. So
Spirulina
this
is
is
a very
something
good
to
in
do with
spinal
the
nutrition. Yeah.
spinal something to
Yeah,
do
there's
with
some complexion happen into the lower lumbar.
I see.
So if we can, if I can see the eye, I can know which are the lumbar has been affected here. So there's something compression happen. It might be move a bit and complexity happen in the some of the neuro system.
But actually,
So-
there's no pain. There's no pain. It's just that
Weaken
the leg
the leg, weaken the leg because supply not going down. So it might be compressed the sciatic nerve.
I see. Okay.
So pain sometimes they don't feel it, but most of the time the supply is not there. So they become weak, no pain but weak. So and he have to do a walking exercise. Ask him to take out his shoe. Don't wear shoe. Walk in a playground in a grass for swing the hand and walk for 30 minutes daily.
30 minutes.
Walk, swing the hand. Okay, without shoe. in the
Okay.
grass, in the padang
Okay.
field or whatever, take off the shoe, walk for 30 minutes. And when
Okay.
he walk, he must swing the hand properly.
Okay.
Okay, then you can see the differences lah.
Okay. Good.
Okay.
Got it. Okay.
Where
Thank
is
you,
your
Doc.
brother, Ross?
Sorry?
Where is your brother?
He's the professor in UiTM.
Where in where?
KL, is it?
In
Shah Alam?
here, in Kota Samarahan.
Yeah, they can come
Okay.
and see the can pass the
Yeah,
can
that's
come and
why.
take
So
the eye
that's why he
photo.
wants to find out first.
Kota
Yeah,
Samara very near ma.
Yeah, okay. I'll take the
Okay.
photo and share with you lah.
Okay lah, good.
Yeah.
So later
Okay.
we can see lah. Once we see.
Okay.
Because sometimes you see for the lower lumbar problem all you can't see much in MRI or CT scan. Tak nampak. Because small neuro you can't see. Some more like hairline cracks all you can't see. If major problem you can see in MRI. MRI also not so deep. You can't see. Yeah, our spinal got 1 million nerve lah. How to see lah? 1 million nerve. Which nerve koya also nobody knows, you know. No surgeon in the world can find out which one nerve. So you don't need to worry, go and find that. Give something to repair it, finish. Okay, don't need to go and do the analysis, which one koya. Normally hospital will do this, we will do the end of the day, they give you the neurobion only. Or they just say, okay, put the clip lah, this lah clip. Sometimes they just put end of the day, no solution at all. The problem never solved. Wasting $100,000, but end of the day, the problem never solved. Might be end up with coma got la, paralyzed got la. Okay. So I think, okay. So we can stop